We'll guide you through how to understand how ChatGPT works. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and head over to the OpenAI website. Once you're there, navigate to the ChatGPT section. ChatGPT is a conversational AI model developed by OpenAI that uses deep learning techniques to generate human-like text based on the input it receives. This model is trained on a massive data set that includes a variety of internet text, helping it to understand and produce responses that are relevant and coherent. When you interact with ChatGPT, the model doesn't know in the traditional sense. Instead, it predicts the next word in a sentence based on the context provided by your input. This is done using a neural network architecture called a transformer, which excels in processing sequences of text. As you enter a question or prompt, the model processes this input, analyzing the context and generating a response by predicting the sequence of words that best fits. It's important to remember that ChatGPT does not have consciousness or understanding. It's purely driven by patterns learned from the data it was trained on. You can explore more by trying out different types of questions or tasks to see how ChatGPT adapts to various scenarios. This will give you a practical sense of its capabilities and limitations. Always keep in mind that while ChatGPT can provide informative and helpful responses, it's not infallible and may sometimes generate incorrect or nonsensical answers. Experimenting with different inputs can help you better understand how to frame your questions to get the most accurate and useful responses. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.